Okay, why am I white? Okay, I guess you're gonna have to do that. Welcome to my first ever Rivals video. I'm very good at Rivals, I'm just not the best. Let's do a 1v1. I hate that they made it so you have to be level 100 to unlock rank. Because I had a good rank and now I lost it. Now you can see me? Now you can. Now you can. Now you can. Now you can. Okay, sorry, let's do an impression of a YouTuber I watch. Why don't those be? Okay, I'm gonna do this map. I've never seen it. Ooh, okay, that's a good map. Ooh. Okay, time to bring out my sniper, my Q knife, this, and my satchels. Okay, so I got this loadout based off of a YouTuber called Watch Nextify. Don't know if you ever heard of him. Not that popular. Let's stop this. Oh, man. To the satchel. Double jump. Double jump. Where'd he go? Okay. Okay, where did this kid go? Where did he go? Oh, he flamed me, he flamed me. Don't know where he is, don't know where he is. The crane, does you guys see him going to crane? Never mind, where is this kid? Oh, we're facing a hacker. We're facing a hacker. Is he flying? The hell? Was he just flying? I don't think there's any grip right there. Oh yeah, there is grip. We might be, because I swear he was flying. Guys, comment down below if you think that was high. He was flying. Never mind. Oh. Jump up. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so he's not the best with head taps. So watch me. Hard skill. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. I'm clicking him. I'm clicking him. Level distance is crazy though. Sorry, my face gets covered up with my thumb. My heart's got this little parasite. What is that he's holding? What the hell? Oh! Guys, was that a flick? Did I just hit a flick? I just ate some lasagna, that's why I'm licking my lips, just so you know. Sudden death. Give me that. Oh. No, oh. GG. Oh, what? Sorry, guys. Okay. That was easy. Next game. I'm gonna put my camera somewhere else. I'm gonna put it all the way over here. Let's go. That was a good game. Good game. How do I be a person that's Why is this so stretched? This is so weird. Stretch the camera. Give me a second. Oh. Whoops. Try that again. Okay, there we go. Why is it so stretched? Guys, I'm just gonna turn it off. Say bye. So yeah, it's distracting me. Okay, now there's nothing in my face. Okay, so let's go. So yeah. I hope my video does good. Oh wait, I didn't need to say that out loud. Get my favorite Rivals YouTubers loadout out. the? His name is McFly. Oh, we got out of this. Wait, is this the same guy? This is the same guy. Quick scope on him too. This is the same damn guy. I didn't know we would be facing him twice in a row. Let me do his double jump. Oh, damn it. Move, just move. Oh, I didn't get hit. Oh, little Timmy tried to do it again. Where is he? The hard scope me. Oh, you're lucky. Lucky, you're lucky. Oh, my kunai's at him. Oh, with the head tap kunai. Ow, what the hell? He's actually doing good. Secondary to secondary, that's cool. Let me tap him. He's gonna go here. Oh, he's lucky. That was good. That was good. Good. Maybe we have to bring out a different load. Mini shot, fists, and grenade. Okay. My mini shot's gonna be open. Oh, she tried to flashbang me twice! This little bro. Spelt boom boom. Hit him with that. Now hit him with the bang bang. Now hit him with the reload and the oh, mini shotted him. Okay, guys. As my first ever rifles video, please like. Never mind. Please don't hate if I miss easy shots because I'm trying my best. Okay. Oh, he flashbanged himself. He flashbanged himself. Well, that was easy. Yeah. Why did I run into the same guy twice? Is he AF right now? Oh, free win, baby. Free win, let's go. He might be AFK. He might be AFK. Oh no. Might be AF. Do you think AF, guys? Well, that was weird. Okay, no, I'm just gonna... Yeah, what's up? Okay, never mind. Should I do 2v2s? Yeah, I'm gonna be focusing more on, oh, what the hell? See what was special? I wonder what special weapon we get for last pass. No. So yeah, soon I'll probably I'll figure out how to live stream, and I might live stream sometime. So you guys will be able to, oh, I forgot I was doing, wait, is that the guy I was just facing? No, it's not. I hope I have a good teammate. I can't see his level. Okay, but, bring out my original load. Okay. Oh, fellow sniper, let's go. Yeah, you know it. Oh, let me tap him. Here's Jimmy tap. Jimmy taps were great. Oh, hard skill to me, damn. Okay, my team is not that good. That's not that good. Okay. Gotta lock in. Locked it. Just so you know, if you guys want to know the consoles the things I use Nintendo Switch and phone only. I'll probably make a video showing you my Nintendo Switch someday. But I can't make any videos on my Nintendo because I don't know how to transfer the video and I don't know how to make the video. It's just super complicated. So you'll never get any Nintendo videos on my channel. Hopefully Nintendo doesn't sue me for mentioning their name. Like they do. Like they break people's systems for being creative and adding. Reloaded? Okay, what's our enemy? Oh, what was that hit? That hit was nasty. Never mind, how did that even hit? Never mind. Just so you know, do you guys like my sniper skin? It didn't take me actually long to get it. Surprisingly, for how it's the rarest sniper skin in all of rifles. Isn't that impressive though? What is my teammate doing? I'm glad I have a teammate though. Solos is fun, honestly. Yo, tell me guys, do you guys like solos more? Or was that really necessary? I'm gonna murder this kid. Never mind. I totally don't know their address, their full government name, and bam. He's good. You better not. I'm gonna lick that. If we lose one more time, I will show you a stream of my balls. I'm gonna wiggle them all over the camera. You gotta. Oh damn. Oh come on. Okay, let's just get out of here. Never mind. I'm gonna show you the new pass. Let's see. Okay. So, oh, what's the button? The button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. Ooh, I get the spear. I get the, and I'm assuming there's a spear skin at like the. Is that a spear skin? Yeah, that's a spear skin. Okay, that's actually a really good reward. I like this. I like this one. I just wish I could get that, but hey, I have good one. Good game. Nah. So yeah, guys. I might end my first Rivals video here. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.